Hello and welcome to the lecture. Let's understand what is tag, element and attribute. Let's understand what are these words called as tag, element and attribute. Tags something look like this. You have an angular brackets. In between the angular brackets we have the tag name. Then you have a closing tag which is called a less than symbol, forward slash and some tag that you used previously. Okay, and then you have some content inside it. This tag is known as starting tag. You can see here this is starting tag and this tag is nothing but the ending tag with forward slash. You can also call the starting tag as an opening tag and obviously ending tag as can be called as closing tag. So that's basically the definition of tag. So when someone talk about the tags, so you should think about opening and the closing tag. Let's look at what is element. The whole thing from starting tag then the ending tag including the content is called the element. So when somebody says element, they are referring to starting tag and the ending tag and text as well. Okay. An example of element tag could be a paragraph tag where it is denoted with p tag. Then you have text inside it. Then you have closing p tag. The total starting tag, ending tag and text is called a element. And the tag is only the opening tag and closing tag is called the tag. So that's the difference between tag and the element. Let's look at what is empty tag. When you don't have any data in between starting and ending tag is called the empty tag or also known as self-closing tag. You also have tags where you don't have the mentioned content. And here you have starting tag and ending tag but you don't have data inside in these two tags are called as empty tag, which means you don't have a data in it. If you want to add a new line, is denoted by br tag. In angular bracket, br is and forward slash. For the closing, you don't mention any data in it and it is called as empty tag. Let's understand what is an attribute. Every tag can have additional properties, means additional information about element. If you have tag and you want to mention some additional properties of the tag, you can give an attribute name and assign value for it. Okay. An example, if you are writing link or hyperlink, you have to mention here when someone clicks this text, here that data has to go, what is the URL location and what is the text should be display on the browser. So display this will be link when someone click on the Google. Do they have to go this location? So in this whole element, href is nothing but an attribute. So we see another example. Name is the tag and here the class is an attribute. Here we assign some value to the class attribute. Here we write some text as John and closing name tag. This whole is the element. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next lecture.